We all want a peaceful life, wise decisions, and fair relationships. But how do we actually get there? How do we train our minds to stay calm, to act with reason, and to treat others justly? The ancient Stoics had a powerful answer. They built their entire way of life around three timeless principles: wisdom, temperance, and justice. These three pillars aren't just old ideas, they're tools for building an unshakable life. Let's explore them together. Wisdom is the first pillar, but it's not just knowledge. To the Stoics, wisdom is about recognizing what's in your control and what's not. It's learning to respond, not react, to pause, reflect, and choose your response, even in the chaos. Epictetus said, "It's not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them." This one insight can change your life. Because the truth is, it's not the event, it's your judgment that creates suffering. You lose a job, you can't control that. But you can control how you respond. You can choose anger and despair, or you can choose growth, learning, and calm. That's wisdom. That's power. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." And he lived it. In war, in disease, in betrayal, he trained his mind to remain still, rational, wise. Now, let's talk about temperance, the second. The second pillar. Temperance is self-control. It's moderation. It's saying no to excess and yes to balance. Because without balance, we become slaves to our desires. Seneca said, "No one can have everything they want, but it's in your power not to want what you don't have." That's the secret. Peace doesn't come from more, it comes from needing less. Think of your daily life. Social media pulls you in. Junk food tempts you. You want quick pleasure, quick reward. But the Stoic resists. The Stoic waits. The Stoic chooses what is right, not what is easy. Remember the marshmallow test? Children who delayed gratification for a bigger reward, later on, they succeeded more in life. That's what temperance builds: patience, discipline, strength. And now, the third pillar, justice. To the Stoics, justice wasn't just about laws or punishment. Justice meant doing what is right for others, living with fairness, honesty, and integrity. Marcus Aurelius said, "What is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bee." You are part of a community. If your actions harm others, they harm you too. Justice means thinking beyond yourself. And Epictetus gave a powerful reminder: be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. Not the other way around. Don't excuse your own faults and judge others. Hold yourself to the highest standard and show others compassion. In today's world, justice is rare. People take shortcuts, lie, cheat for gain. But the Stoic stands firm. You help the weak. You speak truth. You give credit where it's due. You act with honor, even when no one is watching. Now let's pause and reflect. Wisdom helps you master your mind. Temperance helps you master your desires. Justice helps you master your actions in the world. Ask yourself these three questions every day. Did I act with wisdom? Did I show temperance? Did I live with justice? If you answer yes, even just once a day, you're growing, you're winning, you're becoming truly Stoic. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you reflect, give it a like, subscribe for more, and in the comments, tell us, Which pillar are you working on right now? Let's grow together.